So guys, here you can see it, one more random game on the LeetCode Cam channel. So in today's video, we are solving our question number 640 by the name of solve the equation. So yeah, in today's video, we are solving this question, and this question is little bit difficult because in today's question is based on 3 examples. So we will be understand both examples one by one or step by step. And one more thing I want to tell you that in today's question this question codes are little bit bigger, okay, so but we'll be solve it, and there's a medium question which we are solving in today's video, and this question is based on total three topics: math, string, and simulation. So yeah, we are solving this question in today's video, so please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. So let's move toward on the computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. Well, let's start today's video. In today's video, we are solving a question number 640 by the name of solve the equation. So now let's start to solve today's question in Python 3. And this question is based on 3 examples. So there are 3 examples, so that's why the code will be longer. Okay. But let's understand the question. We want to solve a given equation and we want to return the value of x in the form of string. X equals to hash value. X equals to, then what is your value will become, you wrote down here. The equation contains only plus and minus operation. The variable x and its coefficient you should return no solution if there is no solution for the equation, or infinite solutions if there are infinite solutions for the equation. If there is exactly one solution for the equation, we ensure that the value of x is an integer. Example 1. Here he created one integer by the name of string by the name of equation, in which he used two operations, plus and minus, in which he wrote down x plus 5 minus 3 plus x equals to 6. Then plus x minus 2, and then output has becoming x equals to 2, means x plus 5 and 5 minus 3, and then like this. Okay. Now number 2. In the example 2, here he created one equation string in which he written down x equals to x, in which the output is becoming infinite solutions. In the third example, here he created one equation string in which he written down 2x equals to x, in which the output is becoming in the string form x equals to 0. And there are the 4 constants are included. Okay, here you can see it. So read this this constants if you want to read it. So I'm not reading it because it is not necessary. Okay. So let's open our website and LeetCode Cam. This is a medium one question which we are solving, by the way. We are solving this question in Python 3. There are total 1,02,000 people have submitted it. Only 46,000 has been accepted and 3 topics are included. So let's start to solve today's question. We define class of a solution def solve. Just wait a moment. Now class solution def solve equation, then define yourself equation is our string, so we define it str def first expr equals to expr dot replace with semicolon minus comma semicolon plus and minus. Perfect. Now here I make every term explicit with plus. Okay, tokens equals to expr dot split, in which I wrote down plus x coeff equals to 0. Const equals to 0. Now we define for loop token in tokens. Enter. If statement not token, continue back. If statement x in token, if token equals to x. Enter. Now when we do this all the thing, you only want to do it, define x co eff plus equals to 1. As if token equals to minus x, semicolon it, x coeff minus equals to 1. Perfect. Define here else x coeff plus 2 int token dot replace x, and then like this. Okay, when we do this all the things, so I think in my code there is something missing. Dot replace and then x plus equals to int. Okay, we do not define place p, okay, define here place p, then else const plus equals to int token. Perfect. When we do this all the thing, here we define return x coeff comma const. Perfect. Enter, back, enter. Left comma right equals to equation. Okay, I think it's not necessary. Okay, left comma right equals to equation dot split and then semicolon, then equals to, then left underscore x comma left const first left, right x comma right const equals to first right. Perfect. Define here move x terms. In the next line here I define move x terms to one side and constants to the other. Total x equals to left x minus right x. Total const equals to right const minus left const. And then enter. Perfect. When we do this all the thing, now the last thing is to define if statement total x equals to 0 semicolon. If statement total const equals to 0, we want to return, our output will become return infinite solutions. Enter, back, else, and then here we return no solution. Enter, back, else x real equals to total const slash total x, return f and then double quotes x equals to, and then curly braces x, and then like this. So we have read over all the codes, and the last thing is to run this code. So when I run this code, so now the running code has been accepted, and the case when the expected output is this and mouse output this, and then the both cases are accepted. Last thing is to submit this code. So when I submit this code, now the submission code is also be accepted or not. Let's see. So it is giving a pending. So it is giving me the, okay, the answer will become in the small s, but my output is coming in the big s. So what's the LeetCode game is very difficult, man. So you only want to do it, come down, do this as in your small. Okay, so you can see the LeetCode game is very difficult. The one thing is very difficult. Only one thing, you can see it. But I beat 100% people, you can see it. Only I do not do the S in capital only. I do not do the S in capital, but it sorry, in a small, but it is giving me the error. Okay, so like this, here you can see it, and I post the solution. I beat 100% people. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you enjoyed, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. And you are thinking how I solved these questions very fastly in 10 minutes. How these questions are solved in 40 minutes, but I solve in 10 minutes because I know the knowledge of the question, what is the question is trying to say us, and what is the question is trying to say us. And practice makes perfect. I do daily practices. I do daily practices in LeetCode website. You are thinking I daily solve only one question? No. In behind the scenes, if you see the behind the video, I solve many questions in the LeetCode website. Then many questions, mean 1 to 3 questions I solve in the LeetCode website, newly questions. And then I do daily, I do practice. Okay, so that's why I solve these questions like this. Okay, because in this, if you see in the video, I solve only one question, but behind the videos I solve 3 to 2 questions daily. Okay, so that's why practice makes perfect me, and then I solve these type of questions very easily. Yes. Okay, so practice, 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 and consistency is the key. Okay, so but I hope you enjoyed this video in which we solve a question number for 640 by the name of solve the equations. If you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing these type of tutorials. And visit on my channel, please subscribe it and all the notification bell also for more amazing these type of tutorials. And one more thing I want to tell you that we have successfully completed 300 videos on this channel. And for paid promotions and for anything, you will be emailing me at my email by the name of rayyanbig123@gmail.com, and my LinkedIn profile you can also be accessed by the name of rayyanbig. Okay, so but anyways, let me in the next video, amazing video like this. So for today, goodbye.